Hey everybody, I'm Carlos Cisco and I am the founder and CEO of Select. And this is a quick demo of the Select website, starting with our homepage. So one of the first things that's cool with the homepage, as you can see with the For You section right up top, is there are thousands and thousands of different versions of the homepage. Because as you go through and favorite different benefits on the program, utilize different benefits on the program. It's going to learn the types of things that you like, and it's going to recommend them right up top there. In addition to some of our AI planning tools and stuff like that, recommending them. You're also going to see things that are trending on the program, newly added, recent stays by members for various hotels, popular dining, popular lifestyle, popular business, popular hotels, popular entertainment, popular travel, upcoming events, as well as content from Select Insider, which is our members only online magazine. So there's quite a lot available to members on the program. And while it would take a while for the purpose of this demo to go through each category, I do recommend doing that on your own. Virtually all the benefits of Select are completely uncapped. So it's really, really a powerful thing. Our members redeem way more, than the typical, cost of the membership and benefits, typically 3, 4x each year. And then, of course, some many multiples of that. But I'll take you to a few unique and maybe a few popular spots, starting with the member profile. This is a relatively new feature, but you can, link to your different social profiles. The other thing that's cool is it'll populate your favorite places here, and you can actually sort them as well. So you can decide which ones, come up first, and that's true for, both properties, restaurants, and then eventually we'll have brands and things in there too. It also shows some of the recent activities, so some of the places you've been booking or going to. So it's very, very fun. And, as you use the program more, if someone says, hey, what's your favorite hotel here? You could just, send them over to your Select profile, and they'll be able to get that information for themselves very, very quickly. One of the popular sections of the program is certainly our dining program. We establish a lot of direct partnerships with top tier restaurants, Michelin starred restaurants, also casual places, and it's across 30 something markets, US predominantly, but also Canada, Mexico, now UK, and eventually all across the world. So lots of great places. You can get a little bit of a sense for the type of place there. Also quickly pop over to hotels, because hotels are an extremely popular portion of the program as well. We've done a lot of really unique things in this category to give members truly incredible access to properties. We have a VIP perks and amenities program, which has over 5,500 luxury resorts all across the world. So think Four Seasons, Rosewood, places like that, where you have unique perks, VIP status, that kind of thing. We've also got over 100,000 properties on an unpublished rates program. That's where the rates are going to be drastically different for one of our members booking versus what's publicly available. On average, about 24% below, but sometimes significantly more than that. And it's all across the world, which is really, really cool. So just about anywhere you're ever going to go to, Select can hook you up with a great hotel benefit. Another popular category, quickly, and this will be my last one, is is lifestyle. This has a variety of different brands, everything from cars to retailers to health and wellness. So you can see just a few here, but Ferragamo, Tumi, BMW, etc. Likely some names that you've heard of. And like I said at the beginning, I do recommend checking out everything. The member events are really cool. The entertainment section has some great benefits. Our activity section has some really fun things to do. And maybe the last one I'll show, even though I'm sure it'll go a little slow on Loom for this recording, is our new AI travel planner. And it's actually, you can use it, yes, for travel to build out a full itinerary, which is what I'll do just because it's the most comprehensive version of it. But you could also use it for like, hey, what's a good activity for me and my girlfriend to do this weekend, or whatever the case might be, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever the case is. But let's just say that, I'm going to go to Miami for a few days, and this is where you would pick what you're looking for. So right now, accommodations, dining, things to do. You can put in any like specific interests. So you could say like, art, history, uh, nightlife, or whatever you're in the mood for, and any price and search. So it's going to pull up a few different sections to this. So it's going to build out a whole plan, and starting with just sort of like, high level information, general overview, some key things to know, safety, tipping, currency, all that kind of stuff. And it does it for anywhere in the world, whether or not we have certain benefits there or not. We do have hotels virtually everywhere, and then we have activities and entertainment close to everywhere, about 49 countries right now. And then we've got dining, like I said, across currently three, with a fourth coming with the UK, but there will be even more. And you can see it does a few recommendations. So these are going to be kind of its top picks. It's going to recommend them with a bit more detail. It's also showing some additional properties. And as you can see, there's that percentage off, so much higher than 24% in this case. That one's actually a 65% savings. So that's quite considerable. Here comes its, top two. It went pricey because I didn't give it a price range. So Four Seasons and the Setai, those are a couple of the best properties on Miami Beach, of course. So that makes complete sense. And then it breaks down, and it also does this little like review summary, which I think is pretty cool. So that's summarizing the online reviews. Breaks down into sort of like, some options for activities and dining in different portions of the day. It's kind of a nice way to have some very good recommendations, and it's full plan. I mean, this is the sort of thing that, a travel agent would put together, and I don't know, it would take a few weeks or something like that, maybe at least a few days. So not, 20, 30 seconds or whatever that was. So yeah, that's Select in a nutshell. Really what sets us apart are the unique and special benefits that we have. We also have a really great concierge team, so you can talk to them anytime just by popping it up over here. So that's another really, really great component of the program. But yeah, thank you for listening. And if you have any questions about membership, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And same is true if you're a member already. We're happy to help you utilize your membership to the absolute fullest extent. All right, thank you, and more to come.